What's happening, guys? Welcome back to part 2 in the Facebook ads for Shopify mini-series. So if you haven't watched part 1 yet, go to the description. There should be a link there. We talked about niche and product research. We talked about using audience insights to find laser targeted interests for your audience and your niche. And we looked at shapewear in that example. So if you haven't watched part 1 yet, go check it out. It's pretty cool. And today we're going to be talking about easy pixel setup. We're talking about easy Facebook fan page setup, and then we're going to be going into first ad creation. So we're just going to be going specifically into image ad creation and the tool that I use to create most of my image ads. You can use video ads as well, which is what I use more of now. I've showed how I find video ads in a previous video, so go look at my other videos if you want to learn more about that. But we're going to be going into ad copy as well for your ad, and then uploading it to your fan page. So let's hop right in. If you don't have Facebook Business Manager yet, make sure you go to Google, just type in Facebook Business Manager, get that set up. It should take like 5 to 10 minutes. Once you have that set up, you'll be able to install your pixel. So I'm gonna go to this tab over here. You're gonna go, once you have your Business Manager set up and you're in your ad account, you're gonna click the top left here and go to All Tools and then click on Pixels. Okay, I'm gonna show you how easy this is. It shouldn't take that long. I don't use any apps. I just use Shopify's integration because it's super easy now, and they're getting a lot more accurate than they used to be. You're just gonna click Add Data Source, Facebook Pixel, and this is my test ad account, and just click Create. Okay, cool. So it says you've created your pixel. It's gonna be loading here. Once it loads, it should be giving you like a tutorial video. So you're gonna click this top option, use an integration or tag manager. Click Shopify. And it has a nice little video here telling you how to, and walking you how to set up your pixel. But basically, you're gonna copy this pixel, and then you're just gonna go to your Shopify store. I don't want to pull up my store because it's not a test store. It has all my information in it, and I don't want to have to blur everything out. But you're just going to go to Online Store, Preferences, and there should be a Facebook Pixel ID setting in there. And if you still don't know, this video should show you exactly where to put it. Okay, so follow this. That's all I do. I don't use any apps. That's it. Okay. So Facebook Pixel setup done. Now Facebook page creation. There's a few different ways you can do this. Let's say you have a general store, you're testing different niches like cats, dogs, hamsters, whatever, and you want to create specific fan pages for each of these niches. What you can do is you can create different fan pages for cats, maybe I love cats or cats for life or whatever, one for dogs, one for hamsters, whatever you want to do. So that's what I've done with one of my general stores. I've created multiple different fan pages for all the different niches. You can do it like that, but another way that I do it is I just create a branded page, and that's what I'm going to do in this case to keep it simple. So I'm just going to create a shapewear page, fan page, so that I can advertise to people who are interested in shapewear. If you need inspiration on names and what your competitors are doing, just go into the Facebook search bar here and just type in your niche or your product. So I just typed in shapewear, and you can see how other competitors are naming their pages. So you hire shapewear, shapewear world, killer curve shapewear, wing shapewear, classic shapewear. Cool. Okay, so let's just be really boring here. I just want to fly through this so I don't get stuck on any of these pieces. You can think about this a lot more, but I'm going the simple way and just showing you the strategy, the overall process for how this works. Okay, so I always use either company, brand or product, or cause or community, depending on what my purpose is. But let's just go with brand or product. And we can go with clothing brand here as the category. And let's just type in, let's be boring, super shapewear. Okay, create page. Okay, so it's gonna load here. Boom, here it is. Click on this. Here's your fan page. Okay, so 3 things that you should do that I always do when I create a fan page. You're gonna add a picture here, you're gonna add a cover photo, and then you're gonna add an about. Okay, so again, if you need inspiration on what other people are doing, go to your competitors. Let's see what they're doing. So they have like whatever, a logo or whatever, and they have, oh, I guess they're seen everywhere. But this is, you can take inspiration from what they're doing, and you can, if you want to create your own cover photos, You can do that with the tool I'm going to show you for creating ads. It's called canva.com, or you can search in royalty-free images, shapewear, images here. You can use the tools here. Go to usage rights, and I go for labeled for reuse. Right here, I probably wouldn't use this, but just for examples, let's just do this. So right-click, save image as, download it, and then let's find a profile image here. Okay, let's be really boring. I would not use this. Please do not use something boring like this. Take inspiration from what other people are doing. If you want to create a logo in canva.com or hire someone on Fiverr to do a cheap logo, if you want to do that, go ahead. There's also Upwork or 99 Designs. But we're just going to use this for an example. Save image. Okay, so let's go back to our page, and now we're going to upload it. Skip. Save. Again, guys, please do not make it this ugly. Make sure that you are at least trying to follow or model what other competitors are doing that are successful. Let's find the other one here. Super shapewear. Okay. Alright, here we go. So, we did 1 and 2. We put a profile image, we have a cover photo here, and about now. Let's just go to the about page. Add a quick about. Come on. Okay. So you're gonna tell people about your business. Let's do welcome to, this looks new. I haven't seen this before. Best shapewear for women who want. Okay, something simple, okay? Again, I keep saying this, but if you want inspiration, look at what your competitors are doing. Don't copy them, but let's just see what they're doing in their about. Official Facebook page for whatever. You could add all your own information in here, okay? So this is very basic, generic setting that they have here. They just have their phone number, where they're located, and just a simple line of what they are and their website here, okay? So very simple. Just copy what your competitors are doing. Don't copy it word for word, but model after them, okay? So publish. Alright, so we have the profile image, we have the cover photo, we have the about, and then we want to add one more thing actually, is our website. So, supershapewear.com. Done. Save. Okay? So we have our pixel set up. We have our Facebook fan page set up. Now, let's hop into the tool that I use to create ads and how I get the images for the ads. I'm going to show you how I do that very easily right now. So, the tool that you're going to use, that I use, is called canva.com. It's a free tool, amazing tool. I use it for almost all of my image ads. Sometimes I use Photoshop if I want to get a little crazier, if I want to do more customizations. But I use canva.com for 95% of my stuff. And I use, what platform do I use for video ads? Can't remember. I'll tag that in the description. But let's hop into Canva here. So I already took the liberty of downloading a few of the images, but what I did was I typed in shapewear here. Shapewear. Sorted by orders. And then I just went on this listing here. And when you go to this listing, you can find some pretty decent images if you scroll down within the product details. So you just right click on this, save image as, or you can take a screenshot. Look, I just used these. Okay, so I left save image as, saved it to my desktop, and then I uploaded it to Canva. Okay, so I'm going to show you a little trick here that helps images pop out a little more. If you're already very experienced with creating ads, this is going to help you. This helped my CTRs quite a bit. It increased it by like 2.5% on some of my ads, which is crazy, just by making this little change. But the first thing I'm going to do is I just do layouts, And depending on the type of ad you want to create, there's all different types of layouts that you can use that make it very easy to drag and drop whatever images you have. But I'm going to keep it simple. We're just going to click on this one image layout. Then we're going to go to uploads. You can upload your own images, which is where you upload the images you just downloaded. And then I'm just going to let's just take this one here, okay? So, a lot of people will just say, they'll add some text here and they'll be done with it, right? I'm not going to add text here. You can add text to your images. Most of my best performing ad images did not have any text in the ad, which is why I don't add text. So here's a little trick to help you. So look at how it looks right now. Go to filter, and what I do is I increase this contrast by about 40 to 50%. So let's just take it. Now keep in mind, keep your eye on how this image looks as I increase it, okay? See, it's kind of like, not dull looking, but it's a little like cooler colors. If you increase this, look, does that make a difference to you? I mean, it does to me. I don't know if it does to you, but it's increased my CTR on almost every ad, and I do it. It's part of my standard operating procedure, my SOPs, when I create ads or when I create image ads now, because it pops out more and it helps to grab the reader's attention a little more. So I always do that, 40 to 50% increase on the contrast. Then you're just going to download this. Okay, so let's hop back into our fan page. And now we're going to add this to our fan page. So we just downloaded it here. Let's add it here. And what I do for my ad copy, there's like, people try to make it into a formula. They try to make it really exact. I kind of wing it every time, but I have a basic outline. I like to use emojis. I like to grab the attention of the reader in like the first sentence. Then I like to have a value proposition, like what's in it for them, why should they pay attention, how does it benefit them, and then a call to action, a clear call to action, like get yours here, get it before it runs out. Some kind of scarcity factor, I like to add that in if I can. So I'll show you right now. So this website, I'll put this in the description as well. It just has all the like Facebook emojis that you can use. So I might just add something like, let's see, let's just do this heart eyes one. Let's just do this. So let's just give an example. I like to put something, in some of my ads I'll put attention, like this. Our new let's just keep it consistent here. Amazing new shapewear line is now available. So let's see, what does the listing here say? I like to look at the AliExpress listing. Sometimes it gives you ideas of what's right in the copy. So super powerful slimming of the tummy and belly, seamless yarns. Look for the features and then try to turn that into a benefit for the customer within your ad copy. Okay, so adjustable straps for the perfect fit. Open bust style makes this versatile. Okay. Let's see. So we can see slimming of the tummy and belly. So obviously it's like a slimming weight loss type of thing. Open bust, adjustable straps, perfect fit. So we want to say like a comfortable fit. Okay, so I think I have enough. Let's just go with this. Our amazing new shapewear line is now available. And have you looking slimmer. Okay, guys, I'm kind of winging this right now. Again, I haven't done any of this beforehand. I'm just trying to give you an example of my thought process. So this isn't my best ad copy, but I want to give you like the outline, the structure, right? So we have an attention grabbing like headline or first line. Then I have let's see. value prop next. So maybe we have some kind of deal on our store, like buy one, get one free. For the next 24. Special. With free worldwide shipping. Okay, so we have attention grabbing headline, we have a value proposition. What is it? What's in it for them? Why should they act now? For the next 24 hours only, we have a buy one get one free special with free worldwide shipping. So that's like the value prop. That's why it helps them to act now, right? And then you're going to give a clear call to action. So get yours here and www.super whatever it is, whatever the link is, okay? Okay, so some last words. Let's go over this again one more time. We have an attention grabbing headline. We have a value proposition for the customer, and then we have a clear call to action here at the bottom. I copied it twice so it kind of stands out a little more, and then I added these arrows here so it gets the customer to start looking a little more. Maybe it's more attention grabbing. I use those a lot in my ad copy, but this is my basic layout, and I'm going to wrap that up here. We went over the pixel setup, we went over the fan page for Facebook setup, the stuff that I look for when I'm setting up a fan page. We looked up how to create a image ad and the software that I use, which is canva.com. And then we went over ad copy, my basic structure here. So keep it simple, guys, especially if you're a beginner. Don't get all complicated and overanalyze everything. Keep it simple, follow this structure, and if you test enough and you're persistent enough with this, you will find something that works. And if you follow what I'm telling you, you will definitely find something that takes off sooner or later, okay? So I'm going to wrap that up here. Hope that was really helpful. In part 3, we're going to be talking about the actual test ad setup, given all the interest and the ads that we created. We're going to go into setting up an actual ad, and then we're going to talk about some scaling techniques that I use. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you thought about this video. Maybe it was a little too long, but hope that was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you next time.